real analysis nods. Real analysis இருக்கிற negative statements ஃபுல்லாக நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது எக்ஸாம் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூவில் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். Number 1, R set of real numbers, C set of complex numbers, Cantor set, transcendental numbers, characteristic function. இது எல்லாமே not countable, அதாவது uncountable. Point number 2, Z set of integers, Q set of rational numbers, R set of real numbers are unbounded. They are not bounded. Point number 3, open interval 0, infinity is not bounded in R, but it is bounded in RD. Point number 4, Z, Q dash are not open. Point number 5, Q and Q dash are neither open nor closed. Point number 6. Point number 6, Q and Q dash are not complete. Point number 7, subspace of a complete metric space need not be complete. Subspace of a complete metric space need not be complete னு பார்த்துட்டோம். அது எப்போ கம்ப்ளீட்டாக இருக்கும்னா if it is closed then it is complete. The subspace வந்து closed இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது கம்ப்ளீட்டாக இருக்கும். Example, R is a complete space. R equal to rational set Q union Q dash. இதில் Qவும் Q dashம் subspaces of R. ஆனால் Qவும் Q dashம் not complete because they are not closed. Point number 8, subsets of RD is not nowhere dense. Point number 9, N natural numbers, Z integers, Q rational numbers are not connected. Point number 10, subspaces of compact metric space need not be compact. Subspaces of compact metric spaces need not be compact. Point number 11, subspaces of connected space need not be connected. Point number 12, if A and B are connected, then A union B need not be connected. It is connected if the intersection part is not equal to 5. That is, they are not disconnected. They have something in common. Point number 13, R is not compact. Set of real numbers R is not compact. Z and point number 14, Z and Q is not compact. R is not compact, Z, Q are not compact. Point number 15, closed and bounded subsets of a metric space need not be compact. Metric space la irukra closed bounded subsets need not be compact. Point number, okay, next point, finite subsets of R is compact. Finite subsets of R is compact. Closed and bounded subsets of R is compact. Actually R compact இல்லை, ஆனால் Rல இருக்கிற finite subsets எல்லாமே compact. Closed and bounded subsets of R is also compact. ஆனால் R compact இல்லை. Point number 16, if R is continuous, then the image of open sets need not be open. But inverse image of open sets is open. Image தான் open இல்லை. Okay. Point number 17, continuous need not imply uniformly continuous. ஆனால் எப்போ அது இருக்கும், if compact இருக்கிற பட்சத்தில் continuous implies uniformly continuous. பொதுவாக uniformly continuous தான் implies continuous இருக்கும். ஆனால் காம்பேக்டாக இருக்க பட்சத்தில் continuousum implies uniformly continuous. Point number 18, FG need not be uniformly continuous on R. அதாவது என்ன சொல்றாங்க, F uniformly continuous, G uniformly continuous, but FG need not be uniformly continuous on R. Point number 19. Continuous does not imply differentiable, but differentiable implies continuous. Example, ஒரு example கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Mod x at x equal to 0 is continuous but not differentiable. So continuous இருக்குது, ஆனா differentiable இல்ல. Point number 20. Bounded does not imply convergent sequence. So bounded sequence does not imply convergent sequence, but convergent sequence imply bounded sequence. Point number 21. Cauchy sequence does not imply convergent sequence. ஆனால் எப்ப Cauchy sequence வந்து convergent sequence இருக்கும்னா, in R power n Cauchy sequence implies convergent. In complete metric space Cauchy sequence imply convergent sequence. Irrational numbers is not measure zero. Non-empty open interval is not measure zero. So இதெல்லாம் வந்து real analysisல இருக்கிற negative statements. Exam point of view இது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான statements கூட. All the best.